my God.
I'm just more so shocked at the amount of people around those two lions while they're having some form of fight. There's so many. I mean, I thought the person recording, I thought, you're a bit close, aren't you? But then you've got all the people in like their trucks as well. There's too many of them. I'd be so scared in that situation. I mean, this is probably like, for these people that work sort of like, I'm trying to think what their name, what sort of job it is. Like safari, like a safari tour guide? Is that what they are? Or just people that sort of work in that area. It's probably a normal day for them. It's probably a typical thing. I'm looking at that though, and I'm thinking to be in that moment and to be that close, I think, to something like that, I'd be terrified. I've never seen lions fight, I don't think. But they proper go at each other, don't they? It's like how they ran off like with each other at the end. Wonder what they were fighting about. It kind of reminded me actually, when I was watching it, of cats. Well, they are cats, aren't they? The cats are a descendant, I think. Am I right in saying that? Yeah. It did remind me of just watching my two cats fight, to be honest. It's very similar.
Thank you so much for watching Pawsome Pets. It's goodbye from me and Flo.
There you go. Good girl.